WTI.
I really like to lay outside, but sometimes when you're laying on a blanket in the grass, you feel like it's getting all wet and it's bumpy and not comfortable. But Mountain Summit gear has saved the day with this camping cot. First, it's so comfortable, but it gets you up off the ground. It even has a nice little storage thing to hold my phone and whatever else I need right next to me. Usually, camping gear gets used the one time we go camping a year. But what's nice about this cot is it really is comfortable, and so we can use it inside when our sons have sleepovers and have their friends stay over as an extra bed. It comes in this really nice carrying case. It's easy to bring with you wherever you go. It's easy to set up so you can enjoy a nice afternoon in the park, just enjoying nature and relaxing. There's little tags that tell you where the poles go in, so make sure you pay attention because the hole is hidden very well so that the pole stays in place. It all comes together very quickly and it is very sturdy. The materials are really well made and holds up to 300 pounds, so you can use it for kids or adults. It's also just as easy to fold up, and I love that they gave extra space in this so even if you don't fold it up perfectly, you can easily get it back in the bag. So if you're looking for an extra bed, whether you want to use it inside or outside, this one is so nice.
But that's just my point of view.